In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ETH future while examining Ethereum cost conjecture for 2023, and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that ETH is a wise venture or not, for what reason will ETH succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. You can purchase, exchange and stake Ethereum on many trades, including the main stages like eToro, Sex.io, Coinbase and Binance. Ethereum value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon is dim, and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 03 to 10. 1.05% $, 1,546.000, 2023 03 to 11. Plus 1.99% $, 1,593.42, 2023 03 to 12, plus 6.79% $, 1,668.49, 2023 03 to 13, plus 1.22% $, 1,581.50, 2023 03 to 14, plus 5.85% $, 1,653.74, 2023 03 to 15, plus 5.07% $, 1,641.60, 2023 03 to 16, 0.62% $, 1,552.68, 2023 03 to 17, plus 2.52% $, 1,601.80, 2023 03 to 18, plus 0.24% $, 1,566.14, 2023 03 to 19, plus 7.33% $, 1,676.87, 2023 03 to 20 plus 4.11% $, 1,626.69 Ethereum value forecast 2023. High expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 April 4.17% $, 1,497.26. 2023 May 9.26% $, 1,417.78. 2023 June 0.32% $, 1,557.33. 2023 July plus 12.84% $1,762.97 2023. August plus 16.69% $1,823.14 2023. September plus 20.30% $1,879.60 2023. October plus 27.78% $1,996.40 2023. November plus 27.75% $1,996.03 2023. December plus 27.46% $1,991.52 2024. Jan plus 45.75% $2,277.13 2024. February plus 51.01% $2,359.35 2024. Blemish plus 48.50% $2,320.17 ETH value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees ETH coming to $12,249.27 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $3,549.87. Ethereum value forecast 2030-2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030. Our gauging model sees Ethereum coming to $30,623.17 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040. Our gauging model sees Ethereum coming to $61,246.33 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are backers of modestly hazardous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $1,378.04. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $30,623.17 or much higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and become more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $30,623.17 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing methodology, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention.